Welcome to Lily Toys. Guess the animals from their shadows in 3 seconds. Are you ready? Let's get started.
Can you guess the animal? 3, 2, 1. Good job! It is a lion. Lions are magnificent and mighty big cats, often called the kings of the jungle. They have golden fur and a glorious mane that makes them look very regal. Lions live in groups called prides, where they work together to hunt for food and take care of their cubs. They have a loud roar that can be heard from miles away, which they use to communicate with other lions. Lions are strong and fast runners, and they love to play and cuddle with their family members. These powerful creatures are symbols of courage and strength, teaching us to protect our loved ones and the beautiful world we share with them. Can you guess the animal? 3, 2, 1. Good job! It is a rhino. Rhinos are incredible, large animals that are known for their tough skin and 1 or 2 big horns on their noses. They look a bit like ancient dinosaurs. Rhinos live in Africa and Asia and come in different types, like white rhinos and black rhinos. These gentle giants love to munch on plants and bushes with their wide mouths. Rhinos have poor eyesight, but they make up for it with their excellent sense of smell and hearing. Sadly, rhinos are endangered, which means there aren't many of them left in the wild. It's crucial to protect them and their homes from poaching and habitat loss so that future generations can marvel at these amazing creatures. Rhinos teach us about the importance of conservation and taking care of our planet. Can you guess the animal? 3, 2, 1. Good job! It is a leopard. Leopards are amazing big cats known for their beautiful spotted coats. They're like nature's artists, with each leopard having its unique pattern of spots. Leopards are very strong and can climb trees easily, where they often hide their prey from other animals. They're also great runners and can be very sneaky when they hunt. Leopards are usually solitary creatures, which means they like to spend time alone. They live in different parts of the world, from the jungles of Asia to the savannas of Africa. These incredible animals remind us of the beauty and diversity of the animal kingdom and how important it is to protect their habitats in the wild. Can you guess the animal? 3, 2, 1. Good job! It is an elephant. Elephants are amazing and gentle giants of the animal kingdom. They're known for their long trunks, big ears, and wrinkled skin. Elephants use their trunks to grab food, drink water, and even give themselves a bath. They're super smart and have a great memory. Elephants live in groups called herds and take care of each other, just like a big family. They love eating tasty plants and can even snack on fruits and tree bark. Elephants are like the gardeners of the jungle, helping to shape the forests by spreading seeds. These magnificent creatures remind us to be kind to animals and protect their homes in the wild. Can you guess the animal? 3, 2, 1. Good job! It is a hyena. Hyenas are fascinating and clever animals found in Africa and parts of Asia. They may look a bit like dogs, but they are not. Hyenas have powerful jaws and sharp teeth that can crush bones, making them excellent scavengers and hunters. They live in groups called clans and have a unique way of communicating with each other through giggles and whoops. Hyenas are known for their distinct laughs that can be heard in the wild. While they might seem a bit spooky, hyenas play an important role in the ecosystem by cleaning up leftover food and helping to keep nature in balance. These remarkable creatures remind us that every animal has a special place in our world. Can you guess the animal? 3, 2, 1. Good job! It is a wildebeest. Wildebeests are unique-looking animals found in Africa, and they're also known as gnu. They have big, curving horns and a face that looks a bit like a cow's. Wildebeests often travel together in large groups called herds, and they're famous for their epic migrations, where thousands of them move across the African plains in search of fresh grass and water. These animals have a strong sense of teamwork and look out for each other during their long journeys. Wildebeests are like the adventurers of the savannah, reminding us of the beauty of nature and the importance of sticking together with friends and family. Can you guess the animal? 3, 2, 1. Good job! It is a bear. Bears are fascinating and powerful animals that can be found in various parts of the world. They come in different types, like polar bears, grizzly bears, and panda bears, each with its own unique features. Bears have thick fur to keep them warm and strong claws for digging and catching food. They're excellent swimmers and climbers, too. Bears love to eat different things depending on the type of bear. Some enjoy fish, while others munch on berries and bamboo. Bears usually live alone or with their cubs, and they're very protective parents. They remind us of the importance of respecting wildlife from a safe distance and taking care of our beautiful natural world. Can you guess the animal? 3, 2, 1. Good job! It is a hippopotamus. Hippopotamuses are large and heavy animals that love to spend time in the water. They have big mouths and sharp teeth, which might look a bit scary, but hippos are usually quite peaceful. They like to live in rivers, lakes, and swamps in Africa, where they can stay cool and moist. Hippos are excellent swimmers and can hold their breath underwater for a long time. Even though they're big, they're not great runners, so they prefer to stay in the water or wallow in the mud to protect their sensitive skin from the sun. Hippos are like the water-loving giants of the animal world, and they remind us of the importance of staying cool and taking care of our natural habitats. Can you guess the animal? 3, 2, 1. Good job! It is a giraffe. Giraffes are the tallest animals on Earth, with long necks that help them reach the leaves at the top of trees. Their spots make them look like giant, gentle giants, and they have long legs that let them run really fast if they need to. Giraffes live in Africa and are known for their friendly nature. They're not just tall, they have big hearts too. These amazing creatures remind us to reach for the stars, be kind to others, and appreciate the beauty of our animal friends in the wild. Can you guess the animal? 3, 2, 1. Good job! It is a tiger. Tigers are incredible and majestic big cats. They have bright orange fur with beautiful black stripes, which help them hide in tall grass and forests while they hunt. Tigers are excellent hunters, and they love to chase animals like deer and wild boars. They have strong jaws and sharp teeth to catch their prey. Tigers live in Asia and come in different types, like the Bengal tiger and Siberian tiger. These powerful creatures are unfortunately endangered, which means there aren't many of them left in the wild. So, we need to do our best to protect their homes and make sure they can continue to roam free and wild in the forests. Tigers are like kings of the jungle, reminding us of the beauty and importance of nature's diversity.
Hi friends, make sure to subscribe and press the notification bell to see more videos.